Welcome to CEO Insights. I'm Marilyn de Guzman with investingnews.com. I'm speaking with Chris Drysdale, CEO of Antler Gold. Hi, Chris.
Hi.
Good to have you here.
Yeah.
So let's talk about your Perez's Gold project. You've just kicked off your exploration program there. What are some of the key attributes of that property?
So the Perez's Gold project is quite an exciting early stage project of ours that our technical team put together back in early 2022. The licenses have just been awarded, so we've started early stage prospecting, which consisted of geological mapping, as well as some early stage grab sampling. What we're hoping to do there is validate the concepts. The project has the same geological environment as the recently discovered Eureka Gold project, as well as sharing the same geological attributes as our already known Orongo Gold project. So we're really excited about that one.
So the project is in Namibia. Could you talk about sort of a little bit more about the jurisdiction, the benefits and advantages of exploring in that part of the world?
So Namibia it's arguably the best jurisdiction in Africa. It's a fantastic place not only to operate from a jurisdiction point of view, but also from an infrastructure point of view. They've been voted best infrastructure in Africa 3 years in a row. They have a stable democracy. They've got a government that is proactive, actively engaging with investors and foreign investors. But then also on top of it, from a geological standpoint, it's relatively underexplored. There's been a recent success there with our neighbors, Osino Resources. They sold their Twin Hills gold mine to a Chinese private company with north of $390 million valuation. And I think what Namibia has been great at is demonstrating not only its stability, but its attractiveness to both sides, Western and Asian capital. And that's really exciting for us, as it allows us to, with our significant land package there, generate short and long-term value by attracting the right partners, moving the project forward, and creating shareholder value. So we're really excited about it. We live in Namibia. Our team's based in Namibia. From a jurisdiction point of view and from a country, you can't fault it. We're part of the Namibian Investment Promotion Board, and they've been key at giving us investors a voice to speak to the government, allow us to engage proactively rather than reactively on these on issues. So we're really excited with it.
So in addition to gold, are there other minerals that you're exploring for? Can you talk about some of that, sort of give an overview of what your projects look like?
Yeah, so primarily in Namibia, we do have all our gold projects. So we have the Orongo Gold project, which is alongside and contiguous with Osino Resources Twin Hills. We then have the Perez's Gold project, which is our recently kicked off early stage project. We also have our Nkoshi Gold project there. And all three of these projects share similar characteristics in terms of their geology, as well as their mineralization and mineral potential, all in gold. We're also in the process of putting together some copper opportunities. We have the ability, our technical team, we're there, we're on the ground, we're exploring in our backyard. These opportunities present themselves, and we have the ability to not only secure them from a license perspective, but also work them cheaply. And Namibia is right next door to Botswana, that's known to have substantial copper deposits that continues undercover into Namibia. So we've got that. And then second to that as well, we have the Kesia Rare Earth project, which is based in Zambia. Both Zambia and Namibia, from a jurisdiction point of view, are extremely investor-friendly, well-known mining industries. That's our Kesia Rare Earth project. And then we have the Ufipa Gold project, which is a conceptual gold project in Zambia as well. So we are, contrary to the name, we are agnostic to commodities, but we're looking for commodities for good projects that we can secure, work, partner up, and build value through any way that we feel is the best way to build value at that time. So it gives us multiple opportunities for long-term and short-term revenue generation, which is really exciting for us. And you need a stable jurisdiction for that. And that's why we're busy in Namibia and Zambia.
So talk us through your plans for 2024. Like, what's the focus for this year?
So the focus for this year is to continue exploration on Paresis, as well as continue the exploration that we've been doing on the Rongo Gold Project. That's mainly going to consist of early stage work and bringing them up to a drill-ready position towards the latter half of this year, so in the second 6 months of this year. We're also going to continue engaging with local stakeholders to secure land access to our Nkoshi Gold Project, which is a drill-ready post-discovery opportunity there, and arguably the best gold showing in Namibia still. And then continued project generation that allows us to self-fund, not do dilutive financings, and act in a counter-cyclical manner that allows us to fund our gold projects now that the gold price is starting to look a lot better. So we've got a lot on our plate, but we're a dynamic team. And also the spend and the value that we get in Namibia due to the exchange rate is very advantageous to us. So we've got our cash burn is extremely low. We've got a long runway with a lot of results coming out during the course of this year.
So we're here at PDAC. When you're talking to investors about your company, what do you say to them? What makes Antler Gold a compelling opportunity at this time?
So not only it's their projects, Antler has arguably some of the most prospective gold projects in Namibia. It's the jurisdiction, and it's the multiple opportunities to create value, be it through partner-funded exploration, be it through organic royalty creation, equities, or long-term exploration ourselves. We offer a multitude of value creators. And investors are looking for that. Investors are looking for junior mining companies that are run like proper businesses. And we run our company like a proper business. We explore diligently, cost-effectively, and we make discoveries. So I think investors are really excited about that.
Thank you, Chris, for taking the time to speak to me today.
Thank you very much.
And thanks everyone for watching. Join us again next time for another engaging conversation on CEO Insight. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates and interviews. See you next time.